Twins channel, and today we are going to cook for you
Bam!
Beyond Sausage.
So we're gonna review Beyond Sausage. Some of our followers know that she left a pack over here a couple weeks ago, and I ate them. I did.
Her and her boys ate my sausage. And the thing about these sausages, they're $8.99 pack for 4. So
Saved a lot of money that week.
so she said the only way you can get some sausage is to come over here and cook some sausage. So we're
Beyond
here.
Sausage, 16 grams of protein. This is an excellent substitute for Brockwurst sausages that you buy in the meat department. I promise you, you would not know the difference. If it wasn't 35 degrees here, we would be putting them on the grill. So today we're going to use an indoor grill and see what they taste like.
And one of the things I want to add is that we're all about being healthy and eating healthy. So everything in moderation. So, you know, Friday night, why not? If everyone else is having bratwurst, you know, hot dogs, hamburgers, why not throw a sausage on the grill? Grill up
Ready
some
to bring
onions.
to a party.
Yeah, grill up some onions, some jalapenos. So we're going to show you what we do.
Right, but again, don't eat this every day.
No.
Do the vegetables. Again, we all try to eat healthy. We all try to be a little vegan or be vegan. But, you know, if you slip, that's okay. But just don't do this every day. It's not good for you.
Because it's still processed.
It's still processed.
All right, so you want to cut that open?
So we're going to cut this open, and we're going to use the indoor grill today.
I'm going to put a little oil on, because we're going to use both sides, like for this.
Both sides of what?
This, like the onions and stuff over
Oh,
here,
okay.
and the sausages over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's hot. I probably shouldn't have. I should have had some thongs.
Not thongs, tongue.
Maybe I should have some thongs too.
All right.
I do have some, but okay.
Okay, I'm cutting that out.
Why?
Okay.
I think all y'all wear thongs, but okay, it's cooking. You see, it's cooking.
Yes. Oh yeah. So we're just gonna let this cook for a little bit.
And we'll check back in with you.
Oh, so we're gonna check back in with you.
Okay, we're not gonna check back in with you. Alright, now you see that we have the onions and the peppers going. Onions and peppers. As usual, I have to have the jalapenos, but we're gonna put that on a little bit later. Let this cook a little bit. But you see how it's going. It looks just like excellent to bring to game day. Super Bowl's coming. Don't go there and eat the fruit tray and the vegetable tray. Bring your Beyond sausages. Okay.
Right, and then you won't be upset. You'll have something, you know, pleasurable to eat during the game. So we are sauteing these sausages for about 7 minutes, and we're continuing to turn them so they can cook thoroughly all the way through. And we have our grilled vegetables here with a little seasoning on it, whatever you like. You put it on your, you can season your vegetables.
I'm going to put the jalapenos on there.
Yeah, we're gonna add jalapenos. We like it spicy. And look what I got.
We got some tongue.
Tongue.
I'm sorry. Tongue.
Yes. All right.
Is that enough?
Yes. All right. So we're back. We're done. Our vegetables have cooked. Our Beyond sausage is ready. You ready to try this out?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. All right. So here's one for you. And you can go ahead and add your whatever toppings you want to put on here is perfectly fine.
Put me some.
You know, put your mustard and ketchup on first.
I put my onions on first. I put mine
Here. I'll put ketchup and mustard on first.
Let's see. I do it this way. I like this way. So we are different.
the onions, the ketchup and mustard on top of the onions. Please let us know if you put the onions and peppers on top of the mustard and ketchup on top of the peppers and
Exactly.
onions.
What came first, the chicken or the egg?
Exactly. Grill your vegetables. You know, don't make your vegetables too soft. You want them to be a little crispy when you put them on there. If you don't like green peppers, you don't like onions, you could always try mushrooms. All right, you ready with your ketchup and mustard?
Yes.
I'm pushing that away.
All right. Looks good.
All right, so let's try this. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Nobody should put ketchup on lime.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. This is good. So, you won't know different.
No. It's actually really, really good. It's a must try. Close this out, sister.
Remember to like, share, and comment on our page. Invite people to see us, everyone, because we are the Brazil Twins. Hopefully we bring you back a little bit more, a lot more in 2020.
And remember to subscribe.